Why do we often compare the complexity of our cities to that of a single cell? Have you ever wondered what makes this microscopic entity so intricate and vital? Today, we delve into the world of cells, the fundamental units of life, to unravel their mysteries. Imagine a bustling city teeming with activity. Now, shrink it down to microscopic size. That's essentially what a cell is, a hub of biochemical activity, where countless processes take place every second. At the heart of this bustling city lies the nucleus, the control center of the cell. It's like the city hall, where all the decisions are made. Inside the nucleus, we find the DNA, the blueprint for life, tightly packed into structures called chromosomes. Outside the nucleus, the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is hard at work. Picture it as the city's manufacturing plant. The rough ER, studded with ribosomes, synthesizes proteins, while the smooth ER churns out lipids. The ribosomes are the cell's construction workers. They use the instructions from the DNA to build the proteins that the cell needs. Then we have the Golgi apparatus, the cell's post office. It modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for transport to their final destinations. The mitochondria are the power plants of the cell, converting nutrients into energy the cell can use. The lysosomes, akin to the city's waste disposal system, digest unwanted materials in the cell. And all these structures float in a gel-like substance called the cytoplasm, contained within the cell membrane, the city's protective wall. However, not all cells are created equal. Prokaryotic cells, like bacteria, are simpler and smaller. They lack a nucleus and other organelles. Their DNA floats freely in the cell. Conversely, eukaryotic cells found in plants, animals, and fungi are larger and more complex. They contain a nucleus and other organelles. There's also a distinction between plant and animal cells. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall for support and chloroplasts for photosynthesis, both of which are absent in animal cells. So there you have it, each cell a microcosm of a city teeming with activity, working tirelessly to sustain life. From the nucleus to the cell membrane, every part plays a crucial role. And despite their similarities, there are unique differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, and between plant and animal cells. This journey into the world of cells shows us just how intricate life is, even at its smallest scale. No wonder scientists often compare the complexity of our cities to that of a single cell. After all, isn't it fascinating that all life as we know it starts from something so small and yet so complex?